Did you know a single piece of furniture goes through an average of 80 steps before it finds its way into your home? Yes, 80 meticulous labor-intensive steps, a journey of transformation from raw material to a functional piece of art. Today, we will peel back the layers of this fascinating process, delving into the world of furniture manufacturing. The journey of a piece of furniture begins in the forest, where high-quality timber is identified and carefully harvested. The selected trees are then transported to the mill, where they are cut into manageable sizes. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for the rest of the manufacturing process. Welcome to Golden Television Official, your one-stop destination for all things lifestyle and home decor. We are a dedicated team of enthusiasts, here to provide you with a deeper understanding of how the everyday objects around you come to life. From the initial selection of raw materials to the final touches that make a piece unique, we will guide you through the intricate processes that shape the world around us. If you love design, craftsmanship, and the stories behind the items that fill your home, then you're in the right place. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated as we uncover the fascinating world of furniture manufacturing. So, are you ready to see what goes into creating a piece of furniture? Stay with us as we delve deeper into this journey of transformation. Having arrived at the mill, our chosen timber is now ready to begin its transformation. At the mill, the logs are stripped of their bark, a process called debarking, which exposes the raw wood underneath. Then, the logs are sawn into planks in a process known as sawing. The goal here is to maximize the yield of usable wood from each log, a blend of art and science that requires both skill and experience. As the saw blade slices through the wood, the scent of fresh timber fills the air, a testament to the raw material's journey towards becoming a finished product. The planks, now known as lumber, are stacked and prepared for the next stage of their journey, seasoning. Watch as these pieces of raw nature begin to take on a new form, each cut bringing them one step closer to becoming a part of your home. Next, the cut timber is dried. This process, called seasoning, reduces the moisture content in the wood, making it less likely to warp or crack. Seasoning can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the type of wood and the desired moisture content. Once the wood is thoroughly dried, it's time for the next stage, milling. Here, the wood is trimmed, planed, and cut into the desired shapes and sizes. This step requires precision and skill, as the wood must be cut accurately to ensure a perfect fit during assembly. After milling, the pieces of wood are assembled into the basic structure of the furniture. This step involves joining the pieces together using various techniques such as dovetailing, mortise and tenon, and doweling. The assembled furniture is then sanded to smooth out any rough edges and surfaces. The next step is finishing, which involves applying stains, paints, or varnishes to the furniture. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the furniture, but also provides a protective layer against wear and tear. Finally, the furniture is inspected for quality and precision. Any minor defects are corrected, and the furniture is polished to perfection. It is then packaged and transported to the showroom, ready to find its place in a loving home. In summary, the furniture manufacturing process is a complex and intricate journey that involves selecting and harvesting timber, milling, drying, assembling, finishing, and quality checking. Each step is crucial in ensuring the final product is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable and high quality. This process is a testament to the skill, dedication, and craftsmanship of those involved in the furniture manufacturing industry. It is a reminder that every piece of furniture in our homes is not just a functional item, but a piece of art that has undergone a journey of transformation. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. We hope you've gained a new appreciation for the effort and craftsmanship that goes into every piece of furniture you see. Until next time, remember, behind every piece of furniture, there's a story of transformation waiting to be told.